Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share. Let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration and the stamp set. I've got a lot to share here, so let's get going. First, we're going to take a peek at the stamp set and the coordinating die set. This is what they look like. You can see that mine is already well loved. I've got some really cute leafery, some blooms, and some pomegranates in this set. This is set number 2 in my fruit series. If you remember the pear set, this is set number 2, and there will be another one coming. Let's just take a peek at all of the stamps. So you can see that there's 3 pomegranates, and then there's some builder elements to build the large pomegranate in the set. There's also the small open line and also a silhouette version. There's 3 pieces of leafery here. The elements are open. The leafery branches are open so that you can nest the pomegranates and the blooms right up to the leafery. Okay, I've got this really interesting like cross-hatch background builder, this big honkin' sentiment, and the blooms in this set. There's 3 different blooms, and you can see that they'll nest right up against the leafery in the set. These blooms are pomegranate blooms, so they're just super fun, great for creating backgrounds and also great for coloring. There's a line art and there's a 2-step version here. So I'm showing the stamps here with their coordinating dies. So we've got a die for pretty much every stamped image in the set, with the exception of the sentiment and the background builder and the pomegranate seeds. So I've got all of these dies here for creating texture and dimension without a ton of height with your stamp sets. And if you're not really into fussy cutting, the add-on dies are a great option. Now I noticed that I forgot to stamp out one of the leafery elements, and that is this element in the stamp set, kind of a branch element. There is a coordinating die for that stamp in the set as well. Okay, let's dive into the inspiration. I just can't wait to share all of the cards that I created. Okay, this is the first card, and it is juicy. It's got the pomegranates. It's got some leafery elements here, all built up, showing you the 2-step stamp option. I've added the Always Believe Something Wonderful sentiment on this card, and they all just nest really well together. Did a little bit of watercoloring to just kind of make it super fun. Now here's the same version, similar version of this card, but I used the background builder, and I also just played off of the line art version and didn't do any coloring. Add this cute little happy birthday sentiment, and it's just super cute. Okay, this one might be my favorite. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Used the blooms and created some wonky patterns. It's just a really clean and simple card with the stamps being the star of the show. I love pomegranates. They're super juicy and tasty, but they always make me think of the holidays and wreaths. So I had to create this wreath card and use the pomegranates and the leafery to just create this super cute card. I mashed it up with the sentiment from Season of Joy, and it's just super cute. Okay, this is a really clean and simple little pomegranate spray. I used Christmas Wishes from one of Beth's older stamp sets, and I used Master Layouts number 11, that postage die, with some of the new patterned paper in the last kit, and just created that really super simple card. Now, this card is super fun. I think this one is my favorite. I've mashed it up with the pear from One Day at a Time, and I've created this kind of fruit holiday feel. I've also got the leafery and the branches from the One Day at a Time, and I've mashed this up with Warm Winter Wishes from the new poinsettia kit, and I'm digging this holiday card. When the Christmas tree cover plate came out, I ordered it right away because I had this idea immediately. And I created that pattern background behind that die and just gave it a very whimsical floral Christmas kind of look. And I'm just loving this card. Super fun. Okay, here's the pomegranate, and I just got a little bit wonky with it, with the center elements, and I just added some pattern paper from the recent kit, from the recent Gina K Designs kit, and it's just a super fun card. Okay, I've mashed up the sentiment from my Seasons of Peace stamp set and just kind of created this holiday mistletoe kind of look with this card. And I'm just loving the way this looks. Okay. Oh, okay. Don't forget to download the free card idea sheet, where you can grab it on my website at indigojadeart.com/craftyourjoy. I hope you enjoyed all the inspiration that I shared. Something Wonderful is available right now at GinaKDesigns.com in the What's New section, or you can type in Lisa Hetrick in the search bar and you can find all of my stamp sets there. Now let's take another look at the stamp set. Here it is, the stamp and the coordinating die set. You can see that mine is already super well loved. I hope you enjoy it, and it's number 2 in my fruit series. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And if you're interested, I have more card and watercolor tutorials right here on this channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.